Namaste. Welcome to Blishon Concept Teaching. Today we are solving the problems of class 10th and it is of the lesson pair of linear equation in two variables. Exercise 3.3 solved by substitution method. Okay. Now we have to solve this problem by substitution method. Now let us consider this as equation 1. Okay, and let us consider this as equation 2. First let me consider equation 1. Let us consider equation 1, that is x plus y is equal to 14. Here x is equal to 14. When this plus 5, it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus y. Okay. Therefore, x is 14 minus y. Let me write this as equation A. Okay. Now, substitute this value of x in equation 2. Now, let us consider equation 2. That is x minus y is equal to 4. Now let us substitute the value of x in this equation. That is, in the place of x, let us write 14 minus y. Okay. Here 14 minus y is equal to 4. We have written this from equation A. Okay. 14 minus y is how much? Minus 2y is equal to 4. Minus 2y is equal to 4. This plus 14, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 14. Now minus 2y is equal to plus 4 minus 14 is minus 10. Now here minus and minus, we can cancel it out. Okay. Therefore it will become 2y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10. It is in multiplication. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become division. Therefore, we can write y is equal to 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, y is equal to 5. Now, we got the value of y. Now, let us substitute this y is equal to 5 in any of these three equations. You can substitute in equation 1, equation 2 or in equation A. Okay. Now let me substitute this in equation 1. Substitute y is equal to 5 in equation 1. That is x plus y is equal to 14. This is our equation 1. Now let me substitute the value of y, that is 5 in this. Okay. Then it will become x plus y means 5 is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 plus 5. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 5. Therefore x is equal to 9. Now by substitution method, we have found the value of both x and y. That is x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Okay. Solve by substitution method. Look at this. Here there are two equations. Let us consider this as equation 1 and let us consider this as equation 2. Okay. Now by substitution method, we have to find out the value of both s and t. For this, first let us consider the equation 1. Consider equation 1, that is s minus t is equal to 3. S minus t is equal to 3. It is our equation 1. Then s is equal to 3. This minus t, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become plus t. Okay. See here, s is equal to 3 plus t. Now let us consider this as equation A. Now let us substitute the value of s, this one, in equation 2. Okay. Now consider equation 2. Consider equation 2, that is s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Now substitute the value of s, that is 3 plus t, in this one. In the place of s, let me write 3 plus t. Okay. In the place of s, let me write 3 plus t. For this division, let me write division divided by 3. For this plus, let me write plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Now look at this, the denominators are different. Here it is 3 and here it is 2. To equalize the denominator, we have to find out the LCM. We know that the LCM of 3 and 2, it is 6. Or else you can do the method, LCM method. 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, that is 3 into 2 is 6. This 6, it is our LCM. Now we have to equalize these denominators. We have to make this 3 as 6. To do this, we have to multiply 2 both to the denominator and to the numerator. See here, 3 plus t by 3. We have to multiply 2 both to the numerator and denominator. We are doing this to equalize this denominator. Okay. For this plus, let me write plus t by 2. Then to make this 2 as 6, we have to multiply 3 both to the denominator and to the numerator. For this is equal to, I will write is equal to 6. Okay. Now see here, 3 plus t into 2 is how much? 2 into 3 plus t is 2 3s are 6 plus 2 into 2t is 2t. Okay. Therefore 3 plus t into 2, what it will become? 6 plus 2t. 3 plus t into 2 is 6 plus 2t divided by 3 2s are 6. For this plus, let me write plus t into 3 is how much? 3t divided by 2 into 3 is 6 is equal to 6. Now look at this, the denominators are same, that is 6 and 6. Okay. So that we can add the numerators. Then it will become 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to, for the 6, let me write 6. Nothing is in the denominator, means I can write it as 1. Okay. Now 6 plus 2t plus 3t is how much? 5t divided by 6 is equal to 6 by 1. Now let us cross multiply. 1 into 6 plus 5t is equal to 6 into 6. Now 1 into 6 plus 1 into 5t. We will get the same answer. So let me write 6 plus 5t is equal to 6 6 how much? 36. Now our intention is to find out the value of t. Therefore, what we have to do? The extra term is 6. So let us send this side. Then it will become 5t is equal to 36 plus 6. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 6. Therefore, 5t is equal to 36 minus 6 is 30. T is equal to 30. This 5, it is in multiplication here. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become division. Therefore, t is equal to 30 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. Therefore, the value of t is 6. Now, our intention is to find out the value of s, isn't it? So, to find out the value of s, you can substitute the value of t in any of these three equations. That is, you can use this one or this one to get the value of s. Okay. Now, let me consider equation A, that is s is equal to 3 plus t. Consider equation A, that is s is equal to 3 plus t. 3 plus t. It is our equation A. We know that the value of t is 6. So, let us substitute in this. S is equal to 3 plus 6 is 9. Now, we got the value of both s and t. That is, s is equal to 9, t is equal to 6. Solve by substitution method. Look at this. Here we have two equations. Let us consider this as equation 1 and let us consider this as equation 2. Okay. First, let us consider the equation 1. Consider equation 1, that is 3x minus y is equal to 3. 3x is equal to 3 minus y, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become plus y. Okay. Now, x is equal to 3 plus y. It is in multiplication. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become division. That is 3 plus y divided by 3. Now, this is our equation A. Let us consider this as equation A. We got the value of x, that is x is 3 plus y divided by 3. Substitute this value in equation 2. Okay. Here, from the equation 1, we got the value of x. Now, you have to substitute this one in the equation 2. So, let us consider equation 2. Consider equation 2, that is 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Now, let us substitute the value of x in this. Means, in the place of x, let us write this one. 9. For this 9, let me write 9 here. X. The value of x is 3 plus y by 3. Therefore, let me write 3 plus y by 3. For this minus, let me write minus 3y is equal to 9. Now, let us simplify this one here so that you can understand. See here, 9 into 3 plus y by 3. 9 into, let me do the working here, 9 into 3 plus y by 3. 3 plus y by 3. Since here it is into, nothing, bracket is nothing but 3 plus y by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. Then what it will become? 3 into 3 plus y. Now we have to multiply this one. 3 into 3 is 9. For this plus into plus is plus. 3 into y is 3y. Means this 9 into 3 plus y by 3. What it will become? 9 plus 3y. So for this one, here for this one we have done the working here and we have got the answer 9 plus 3y. That's what I am writing here. 9 plus 3y. The whole term, this one, when we will simplify, we will get this one, that is 9 plus 3y. So I am writing here, okay, 9 plus 3y. For this minus, let me write minus 3y is equal to 9. Plus 3y minus 3y, it will get cancelled. We will get 9 is equal to 9. Now look at this. This problem, it is something different. Here the variables, they will get cancelled and you will get 9 is equal to 9. Right? If you get like this, then you can say that the given pair of equation has infinitely many solutions. What you can write? You can write that the given pair of linear equation it has infinitely many solutions. Okay. Solve by substitution method. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Now look at this. Here we have a decimal number. 0.2, 0.3, 1.3, 0.4, 0.5, 2.3. To make the calculation easier, we will multiply both the equation 1 and equation 2 by 10. Now tell me why we have to multiply it by 10. Now look at the problem. After one number we have a decimal point. After one number, right? Therefore we are multiplying it by 10. First let me multiply it by 10. Equation 1 and 2. Multiply equation 1 and 2 by 10. Here 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3 into 10. Then what it will become? 0.2 into 10. Now look at this. It will become 2.0, right? 2.0 is nothing but what? 2. So it will become 2x plus 0.3 into 10. 0.3 into 10, what it will become? 3.0. It is nothing but what? 3. Therefore 0.3y, I will write it as 3y. And 1.3 into 10, it will become 13.0, nothing but 13. Okay. When we will multiply the equation 1 by 10, we will get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Okay. Let me consider this as equation A. See this carefully. We have simplified the equation 1 by multiplying 10 to make our calculation easy. Okay. In the same way, the equation 2, that is this one, we will multiply by 10 to make it easier. Okay. Now let me consider the equation 2, that is 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Now let me multiply it by 10. What it will become? Now let me consider this as equation B. Now these two equations are important now. Okay. Here, let me write that once again. That is equation A and B are. What is that? 2x plus 3y. Sorry. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. This is our equation A and this is our equation B. Now we have to solve these two equations by substitution method. Okay. Now let us consider equation A. Consider equation A, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Now 2x is equal to 13 plus 3y, when it will come cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 3y. Okay. X is equal to 13 minus 3y into 2, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become divided by 2. That is x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. We got this by the equation A. Now we have to substitute the value of x in equation B. Okay. Here we have got the value of x from equation A. Now we have to substitute this value of x in the equation B. Consider equation B, that is, this is equation B. 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. This is our equation B. 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Okay. Now let us substitute x is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2 in this. Okay. That is 4. In the place of x, what we will write? 13 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 5y is equal to 23. Now let me simplify this here. Okay. See this carefully. I am simplifying here. You can do it directly. 4 13 minus 3y divided by 2 is what? Here it will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then it will become 2 13 minus 3y. Okay. 2 13s are 26. Then 2 into 3 is what? 6y. Okay. So here 4 into 13 minus 3y divided by 2 is what? 26 minus 6y. Let me write here. Okay. This is what? 4 into 13 minus 3y divided by 2 is 26 minus 6y. Okay. Plus 5y is equal to 23. 26 minus 6y plus 5y is minus y is equal to 23. That is minus y is equal to 23 plus 26, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 26. Therefore minus y is equal to plus 23 minus 26 is minus 3. So minus minus it will get cancelled. Therefore y is equal to 3. Now we got the value of y. Now to get the value of x, we can substitute the value of y in any of these three equations. See here. You can substitute the value of x in equation A, equation B, or you can substitute here. That's we got the x value of x no here. Let me consider this as equation C. You can put the value of y in any of these three equations, A, B or C. Let me substitute. Y is equal to 3 in equation A, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Here y is 3, therefore 2x, in the place of y let me write 3, 2x plus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 13. 2x is equal to 13 plus 9, when it will cross this side it will become minus 9. Then 2x is equal to 13 minus 9 is 4. X is equal to 4 into 2, when it will come this side it will become divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4. Therefore x is equal to 2. We got the value of x as 2 and y as 3. Okay. Take the complete vision of the problem. Exercise 3.3, solve by substitution method. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Consider this as equation 1 and consider this as equation 2. To solve this by substitution method, first let us consider equation 1. Okay. Consider equation 1. That is root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 2x is equal to this plus root 3y. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus root 3y. X is equal to, here it is in multiplication. When it will come this side, it will become division. Therefore, x is equal to minus root 3 divided by root 2 into y. We got the value of x from the equation 1. So, we got this value of x by the equation 1. Now, we have to substitute the value of x in equation 2. So, let us consider equation 2. That is, consider equation 2, that is root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. This is our equation 2. Now let us substitute the value of x in this. Okay, means in the place of x let us write this value, root 3 x means what? Minus root 3 by root 2 into y minus root 8y is equal to 0. Now let us simplify this one. First let me simplify this term. Let me simplify it here. Okay. Here I am simplifying this term, that is root 3 minus root 3 by 2 into y. Root 3 into root 3 is what? Root 9 divided by, that is plus into minus is minus, divided by root 2 into y. Root 9, it is nothing but what? 3, that is minus 3 by root 2 into y. This is the simplified answer of this term. Okay. Therefore, this root 3 into minus root 3 divided by root 2 into y, it can be written as minus 3 by root 2 into y. Minus 3 by root 2 into y. Now, look at the second term, that is minus root 8y. How it can be simplified? See here. Root 8. It can be written as 4 2s are 8. Right? Root of 4, it is nothing but what? 2. Therefore, 2, we can take it outside and into root 2. This is the simplified answer of this root 8. Therefore, for this root 8, I can write 2 into root 2. 2 into root 2. For this y, let me write y is equal to 0. Now, nothing is in the denominator means I can take 1. Right? Now, look at these two terms. See here. In these two, y it is common. Right? Therefore, we can take y outside. Now, let us take y outside. Y it is common in both the terms. Y. Therefore, the remaining term is minus 3 by root 2. Minus 3 by root 2. For this minus, we can take, right, minus 2 into root 2. Nothing is the denominator means we can write 1 or you can leave it. Okay. Is equal to 0. Now, our intention is to find out the value of y. Right. So, this is the extra term. What is the relationship for this y and for this term? It is in multiplication, right? This one and this term, it is in multiplication. Therefore, this term, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become division. Therefore, we can write y is equal to 0 by minus 3 by root 2 minus 2 root 2. Say 0 by anything is what? 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0. Okay. We got the value of y, that is 0. So, this y is equal to 0, we can substitute in any of these three equations. That is this one, this one. Now, let me consider this as equation A, or in this one, so that you will get the value of x. Now, let me substitute in this. Okay. Let me substitute the value of y in this one. So, consider equation A. Consider equation A, that is this one, x is equal to minus root 3 by root 2 into y. X is equal to minus root 3 divided by root 2 into y. We know that y is 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus root 3 by root 2 into y, that is 0. Therefore, what we will get? X is equal to anything into 0 is 0. Therefore, x is also 0. X is 0, y is also 0. Okay. Now, take the complete vision of the problem. Exercise 3.3 solved by substitution method. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. Consider this as equation 1 and x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Let us consider this as equation 2. Now to solve this by substitution method, first let us consider equation 1. Consider equation 1, that is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2, and nothing is in the denominator, means we can take 1. Okay. Now look at these two, 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3. The denominators are different here. We cannot subtract. To equalize the denominator, we can take the LCM of 2 and 3, right? So let us take the LCM of 2 and 3, that is 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. LCM is 2 into 3 is what? 6. So let us equalize this denominator as 6. To do this, we have to multiply here. To make this 2 as 6, we have to multiply 3 both to the numerator and to the denominator. Okay. Then for this minus, let me write minus 5y by 3. To make this denominator 3 as 6, we have to multiply 2 both to the numerator and to the denominator, is equal to minus 2 by 1. Now 3x into 3 is what? 9x. 2 3s are 6 minus 5 2s are 10 y divided by 3 2s are 6 is equal to minus 2 by 1. You can see that the denominators are equal. So you can subtract this. Therefore 6 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 2 by 1. Now look at this. 9x minus 10y divided by 6 is equal to minus 2 by 1. Now let us cross multiply. Then what it will become? 1 into 9x minus 10y is equal to 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12. Okay. Now 1 into this one is same, that is 9x minus 10y we will get is equal to minus 12. 9x is equal to minus 12 minus 10y. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become plus 10y. Plus 10y. X is equal to minus 12 plus 10y. This into 9, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become divided by 9. This is the value of x. Okay. This is our value of x. Let us consider this as equation A. Now we got the value of x from the equation 1. So let us substitute this value of x in equation 2. Listen, we got the value of x from the equation 1. So we are substituting the value of x in equation 2. So consider equation 2, that is this one, x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. X by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now let us substitute the value of x in this. In the place of x, let us write this one. That is, in the place of x, write minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9, and for this divided, you write whole divided by 3. Okay, whole divided by 3. The value of x we have substituted in the place of x, and for this division we have written division symbol, and for this 3 we have written 3, plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now look at this. This is one term and this is one term. Okay. Now let me simplify this term separately here. Okay. So this term I will write here to simplify. Minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9 whole divided by 3. Now here, this is numerator, this is denominator. This is numerator. Denominator is not there means we can take 1 and we can consider this as denominator. Okay. Now, minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9 into, when we will do multiplication, then this 1 denominator it will go to the numerator, and numerator it will come to the denominator, right? Therefore, it is 1 by 3. Now, minus 12 plus 10y into 1 is what? We will get minus 12 plus 10y. Minus 12 plus 10y into 1, we will get the same answer. Divided by 9 3s are 27. So, the simplified form of this one, minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9 whole divided by 3 is this one. The simplified form is this. So, in this place I will write minus 12. In this place I am going to write this, okay, because it is the simplified term. Minus 12 plus 10y by 27 plus y by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now we have to simplify this. See here 27 and 2. The denominators are different, we cannot add. So what we have to do, we have to take the LCM of 27 and 2. 27 and 2. 27 ones are, 2 ones are. This is our LCM, that is 27 into 2 is how much? 54. This is our LCM. So, to make the denominators same, this 27 as 54, what we have to multiply both to the numerator and to the denominator? Yes, 2 we have to multiply. Look at this. Minus 12 plus 10y divided by 27 into 2 divided by 2. To equalize the denominator, we are multiplying 2 and 2 because our LCM is 54. Okay. Plus y. To make this 2 as 54, which one we have to multiply? 27. Both to the numerator and to the denominator is equal to 13 by 6. Now look at this. Minus 12 plus 10y into 2 is how much? Let me show the working here. Minus 12 plus 10y into 2 is plus into minus into plus is minus, 12 2s are 24, plus into plus is plus, 10 2s are 20y. Okay. When you will simplify this, minus 12 plus 10y into 2, you will get minus 24 plus 20y. So, this one I will write here. Minus 24 plus 20y divided by 27 2s are 54 plus y into 27. is what? 27y is equal to 2 into 27 is 54 is equal to 13 by 6. Okay. You can see that the denominators are equal now. So we can add these two. That is minus 24 plus 20y plus 27y divided by 54 is equal to 13 by 6. Minus 24 plus 20 plus 27y is how much? 47y divided by 54 is equal to 13 by 6. Okay. Now let us simplify this to get the value of y. Now let us cross multiply. 6 into minus 24 plus 47y is equal to 13 into 54. Now look at this, these two are in multiplication. This 6, it is in multiplication with this term, right? So when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become division, right? Therefore you can write minus 24 plus 47y is equal to 13 into 54 divided by 6. Now you can cancel both 54 and 6. Okay. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, then 2 7s are 14, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. Therefore what it will become? Minus 24 plus 47y is equal to 13 into 9. Minus 24 plus 47y is equal to 13 9s are 117. 47y is equal to 117 minus 24. When it will cross the is equal to sign, it will become plus 24. Therefore 47y is equal to 117 plus 24 is 141. Y is equal to 141 divided by 47. You can cancel this. 47 ones are 41, 47 3s are 141. Therefore y is equal to 3. Okay. We got the value of y. Now substitute this value of y is equal to 3 in any of these three equations. That is this one, equation 1, equation 2 or equation A. Okay, you can substitute in any of these three equations to get the value of x. Here I am substituting in equation A, that is this one. Okay, substitute y is equal to 3 in equation A. That is, our equation A is x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9. X is equal to minus 12 plus 10 into y is what? 3 divided by 9. That is, x is equal to minus 12 plus 10 into 3 is 30 divided by 9. Now x is equal to minus 12 plus 30 is 18. 18 divided by 9. 9 1s are 9 2s are. X is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of x is 2, y is equal to 3. This is our answer.